What you are giving to someone else. We are very happy when you are spending it for the people. You put them with you for teaching one student. Take some classes because they are too scared that they might have a pay cut of one day. You tell them this is also their fight. You tell them they are being selfish. You tell them that they are being shameless and senseless. We have to know how to speak direct, face to face. Do not be afraid to talk about the truth. If they are not here when they can be here, it means that they are selfish. I'm saying this openly on media. And if you watch this on media, it means yes, you are selfish. While we are here working in the heat of the sun, you sit there, and when we get our demands, we have to share with you. We have to share with you. We are not asking anything from you. All we are asking is, you come, you carry the load, share the burden, and we will move together towards the future. You are accountable to this state. Yes, your party is now a national party, but this is your state. We, the people here, we want to see you face to face. But you are nowhere to be found. Instead, we see you in Manipur. We see you in Arunachal Pradesh. We see you everywhere. To all the ad hoc teachers. And 5% of increment every single year. The reason why I agreed to that, irrespective of the qualifications that we have or the differences in the qualifications that we have, is because I am a teacher myself and I know how meager it is. And I know that we as teachers should have one brand, that is teacher. That's it. Just teacher. We are not a clothing brand like Nike, Adidas, and then you go to all these other brands. We are not a brand. We are teachers. We are human beings. We deserve to live with dignity, and we deserve the right to our rights. Yes, today with our income. I am not speaking for myself, but I am speaking for all the teachers who have a family. I'm speaking for all the teachers who have. Take a look at the salary of the ad hoc teachers. If you take a look at the higher secondary section, especially in the private sector, the minimum fees that a student will have to pay to an institution in a particular year is 20,000 plus. Some of us do not even get 20,000 in a month. That is not even a salary. Some of us have a salary of 20,000 plus. But just suppose I would like to request the government to follow this one thing. You say you do not have money. I have already given you two options, two solutions on how to reduce the cost. The third solution is this. I do not really understand on my part. Why are these deputy commissioners, the high-ranking officers, and the ministers are being given extra incentives irrespective of a very high salary that they are getting? They get paid how much? 1 lakh plus. Still they need money for what? For petrol? They need money for petrol. They are getting paid 1 lakh plus salary. Forget about petrol. It's too expensive now. Let's come a little lower. They need money for a newspaper. Newspaper, 5 rupees. 5 rupees of newspaper. These officers and government officials, they needed to take it from the government. Whose money is it? Our money. Forget about that. Let's come to another thing. They also get incentives for what? Telephone bill. Do we have telephones now? If if you recharge now, suppose whatever connection you're using, 700 rupees maximum, you'll get a free incoming, outgoing, plus internet 1.5 GB per day if you need, for free. 3 months, 700. But irrespective of that, you are taking more than what you deserve. All of these small pockets of these money laundering, these monies that you are draining from the system, should have been used for the teachers.